On behalf of the faculty of the College of Technology, Architecture, and Applied Engineering, I am pleased and honored to present these graduates and recommend them for degrees. Graduates of 2020, we are proud of you and wishing you the best during your continuous journeys.
College of Technology, Architecture, and Applied Engineering. Wissam Atif A. Abdul-Jawad, Michael Robert Abney, Khalid Walid M. Al-Azmi, Cameron Matthew Allen, Hisham Muhammad S. Almazad, Michaela Dominique Amato, William David Arndt III, Ellis Atkins, Amandi Akinpiem Aima, Logan T. Badenhop, Jessica Monique Barron, Danielle Renee Bubane, Amy Marie Behrens, Ryan T. Benner, Jessica Faye Beverick, Joshua George Beerley, Michael William Bonnet, Michael J. Brinkman, Cameron Daniel Brown, Brian Keith Carner, Brian Joseph Carroll, Lauren M. Chasman, Lindsay Ross Clifton, Chris Klaus, Donovan Woodrow Corwin, Jacob Anthony Dalton, Kylie Christine Dybel, Elijah Dijon Shinua Douglas, Aaron Stacy Gould, Rebecca Ann Hof, Jim Richard Jensen, Josie Nicole Jonquier, Jenna Lee Keeney, Aaron M. Loop, Mackenzie Ann Levici, Douglas John McIntosh, Riley Dean Martin, Adam Curtis McDonough, Cameron James McGee, Connor Matthew Meredith, Samantha Nicole Mikowski, Jasmine Brooke Mills, Kenneth A. Mosher, Benjamin Daniel Mueller, Stephen Trung Nguyen, Vincent Charles Nikowski, Mitchell Patrick O'Connor, Thomas William O'Connor III, Patrick Michael O'Hara, Ryan Robert Patrick, Annette L. Polominos, Ashley Michelle Perleski, Lindsay Janet Rohrig, Anthony Guido Santel, Thomas Adam Schell, Stephen Andrew Schmidt, Christopher Michael Schofield, Thomas James Bruce Schultz, Emily Marie Schultz, Carrie M. Sheldon, Danielle Marie Chinavar, Joseph J. Spalding, Zachary Joseph Stammen, Abby Leah Thomas, Michael J. Thompson, Anthony Trung Tran, Ellis Todd Eulery, Brian Matthew Vogel, Monet Chanel Ware, Samuel Robert Weisenberger, Adam Richard Whitaker, Samuel Isaac Wilson, Nathaniel Christopher Wolf, Justin Yeager,